This news update is brought to you by...
Hi, I'm Red Plastic Bag. Anyone who knows me knows I don't like cold. Sunshine reigns in my country. I love it.
Get your sun power.
This is the Noon Barbados Today update for Thursday, March 13th, 2014. I'm Dawn Paris. Fisheries authorities take action to prevent an outbreak of foodborne diseases across Barbados. Acting manager of the Bridgetown Public Markets, Sherlock King, today announced a series of new measures a week after the market was closed because of unsanitary conditions. Emmanuel Joseph reports.
King says the measures which are being rolled out under the National Agricultural Health and Food Control Program are designed to bring the island's 8 public markets and 6 fish handling sites up to international sanitary and safety standards. King revealed that several major deficiencies with regard to fish handling have been observed over time, and these must be fixed urgently. He listed some of these deficiencies as fish temperature abuse, fish condemnations, reported sale of spoiled fish, and unsanitary equipment and containers. King says the measures include enforcing sanitary and safety standards and penalizing those who breach them. He noted that vendors had undergone intensive training in fish handling and hygiene practices in 2013 but are not implementing them. He disclosed that the National Agricultural Health and Food Control Program was hiring a consultant to prepare a sanitation standard, operations standard, and standard operating procedures and manuals for public markets, fish handling sites, and vending operations, along with the communication strategies. From the Fisheries Division, Emmanuel Joseph for Barbados Today.
Tourism and police officials are now in damage control mode following last night's shooting of a Canadian visitor. Acting Commissioner of Police Tyrone Griffith and Acting Prime Minister Richard Seeley visited 33-year-old Jonathan Hubble, who is now in stable condition at the QEH after undergoing surgery. Hubble was shot in the chest around 6:45 last night during a robbery at his vacation residence at Bath St. John. Efforts to reach Minister Seeley, who's responsible for tourism, failed up to news time, but ministry officials have promised to issue a statement. Meantime, there's good news for tourism on another front. As West Indies and England end their 3-match T20 series at Kensington Oval today, the Barbados Tourism Authority is expecting the large number of UK tourists to deliver big on the arrivals and spending end. BTA UK Vice President Petra Roach says it's a big boost for the island's sports tourism thrust.
You look around and it looks like there are more British here in the stadium than Bajans. And at the end of the day, this is what we want to do in terms of promoting sports tourism. Sports tourism is something that Barbados has really taken and developed. And we really are the king of the game at the minute with that.
And the Windies will be looking for a whitewash when they go on the field this afternoon after winning the first and second match on Sunday and Tuesday. Skipper Darren Sammy says a 3-0 victory would give the Caribbean side good momentum going into the World Cup.
There's regional and international news after this short break.
Hi, I'm Red Plastic Bag. Anyone who knows me knows I don't like cold. Sunshine reigns in my country. I love it.
Get your sun power.
In the region, Trinidad and Tobago's Health Minister Dr. Fuad Khan rubbishes reports that Dr. Conrad Murray, the doctor of late pop star Michael Jackson, has been offered a post to practice medicine there. The claim surfaced on the entertainment website TMZ as the American cardiologist who grew up in Port of Spain returned to the Twin Island Republic for carnival celebrations earlier this month. The health minister says he has not offered a job to Dr. Murray, but he disclosed that he wants to help children and cardiac patients access specialist care overseas. Khan stressed, however, that Murray will have to submit a proposal to the ministry, and if approved, his role would be strictly consultative. Internationally now, yet another conflicting storyline emerges in the perplexing disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 nearly 6 days ago. After search crews failed to find any trace of debris suggested by Chinese satellite photographs, Malaysian officials today denied a newspaper report that suggested the plane may have kept flying for 4 hours after its last reported contact. The officials acknowledged that the search for the jetliner, which disappeared early Saturday, is becoming harder and harder. And that's where we end the noon update. Join us again at 6 this evening. Until then, log on to www.barbadostoday.tv, subscribe to our e-paper, and like us on Facebook to get more news and sports. I'm Dawn Paris.
This news update is brought to you by
Hi, I'm Red Plastic Bag. Anyone who knows me knows I don't like cold. Sunshine reigns in my country. I love it.
Catch us on